So let's recap the trading day. I know I can't be the only one that got caught on this fake out for this SEC Twitter account, also known as X account, that got hacked. It quickly pumped up the stock for coin. Bitcoin shot up, Mara shot up. Anything that was waiting for that ETF approval shot up. Unfortunately, the news wasn't real, right? So it quickly pulled on back, gave it all back in about 2 minutes. I still ended the day green, but when I tell you that I was up at one point today over $40,000 because of how quickly this thing moved up, I began reducing my position size, locking in profits. I didn't do it quick enough. It pulled on back. I still ended in the green, and it's a nice little comeback from yesterday's red day, but still I have ground to cover, and I'm really excited to see what I can make happen for tomorrow. Now, I think that this really puts the overall Bitcoin ETF approval process kind of in like hot water, because now a lot of people are upset. Obviously, it's not the fault of the SEC that their account got hacked, but it's very unfortunate news because they manipulated the market, not them as the SEC, but whoever hacked the account manipulated the market. Now there's a lot of hot water to the SEC, and now they still have to potentially either approve or disapprove this ETF. I just don't think it's a really good position to be in, regardless if you're waiting for the approval or disapproval, because now everyone's pretty much scratching their head asking, well, now what's going to happen, right? I think it shedded some light on how the market would react if the ETF does get approved, right? And we saw coin quickly push up, Bitcoin quickly push up, Mara quickly push up. Anything that was waiting for this approval quickly pushed up. But then again, corrected itself quite nicely. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. But as of right now, when we look at the overall performance of Bitcoin, it's actually doing quite well. So again, a lot of the performance from Bitcoin is correlated to the movement that we see with these other stocks that are waiting for the approval of that Bitcoin ETF. But as of right now, we have a very solid resistance right around that $46,000 range to like 46,400. We haven't been able to break above, so something that I'll have to follow up with. When looking at the overall NASDAQ market, we could see that the NASDAQ market was making steady progress today. It looks like market sentiment is returning back to being extremely bullish. When you look at this on the 1 hour time frame, it's very easy to see the higher highs and higher lows that it is forming for QQQ, and we will see if this continues tomorrow, especially because tomorrow is one day before the CPI data report, also known as the inflation report. I will be live streaming the inflation report on Thursday, which is 1 hour before the market opens at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, or if you're here in Arizona like me, then it's at 6:30 a.m. And yes, for free here on YouTube, I will be live streaming it for free. So make sure that you subscribe, and hopefully I earn your thumbs up in this video. We also do have a PPI report on Friday, and we also have tomorrow, Wednesday, January 10th, the overall mortgage application index report and wholesale inventory reports at 7 a.m. and 10 a.m. The 10 a.m. one, we will be capturing it during tomorrow's live trading session. So if you tune on in, I'll see you there. Other than that, again, just really excited to follow up, see what the market ends up choosing to do, especially after some of this hot water of this fake account the SEC account that got hacked and sent out that fake tweet. So tomorrow is supposed to be the deadline for this pending approval process. We'll see if it actually ends up getting approved or disapproved and how the market reacts. I'll make sure that I keep you guys up to date, and I want to let you guys know if you want to have access to tomorrow's live trading session, I'd love to offer you one of my biggest discounts. Just shoot me a direct message right now via Instagram, and my Instagram is the third link in the description down below, or if you're ready to sign up right now, it's the second link in the description down below, and you can watch me trade live as soon as tomorrow. I appreciate your time, and like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.